everyone. It's Master Wong here today. It's another beautiful day again to helping you to learn this. Now somebody asking about, show us the very, very basic movement onto the tummy here. The 3 basic movement, okay, technique that helping you to able to use it into a self-defense side. Now into the tummy is you can do many different things with it, so you can learn to understand. First one, I'm gonna go through you some basic movement as you practice full already. Onto the first one is learn to get used to this movement here. This movement here, okay, is control and jaw. This one here is very, very useful. It's very, very good movement technique for you to be able to defending the line, okay, and then palm to the throat. As you know, this is very, very vulnerable part of to the human body, and that movement there can take you out very, very quickly, so quickly that you don't even know it's quick. So the movement here is the same thing. This hand turn, okay, in this position like this, turn. So you turn like this up here, grabbing this line, hand into here, boom, to the jaw, okay, like this. Movement, the basic movement on this side here. So you can see the idea. Same thing with this side, okay, hand here, jaw, okay, hand here, and then this hand come across, and then jaw. This basic movement here will helping you to learning the line of it. Go, boom, onto the movement here, crossing this hand, and then drop to the throat. Basically, you need to learn to understanding it. Keep things simple, because the simple you are, you control, palm to the throat here, you control, boom to the throat here, you can able to use them easily, quickly for you to able to deal with it. Because a lot of time in training, to use them in a self-defense to able to take somebody out, knock somebody out quickly, or to end fight very fast, it's going to be difficult. Because a lot of time when attack coming in, you elbow, you're using this as a deflect of the attack, boom, come here, and then palm to the throat straight away, come boom down here. That way, it's going to be very quick, very fast, and that will be end the fight fast using this dummy technique. So on here, turning and dropping. This is very basic, okay? Not too difficult when you're working. Turning, okay, and dropping. When you're working with this, you play around with it, spend a bit more time to get comfortable with the dummy as you go through on a movement like this, okay? The movement like this, so you can able to control and practice this line to helping you to control. This is like somebody grabbing the hand, grabbing the arm, pull them and attacking the throat. Basic like this. If you're not getting used to this, this is going to be a nightmare for you to practice, and you're not going to know what to do with it. The second one to learn to understanding is onto the thumb. Is get used to line the movement. The hand, body punch, okay? Like that. Now, how you going to use this movement here? It all depends on the situation you're into. Sometimes they grab your throat, grabbing you like this hand, boom, to attack, boom. On this movement here can be very quickly respond to it. And to using this to end fight quick using a dummy movement here, you practice a specific line of it, okay? So your hand in position, okay? In position, so you can able to work with the movement on it. And some of you watching through this, and you love it so much, you like it so much, make sure it's the bell here. Make sure to click on the subscribe button and hitting the bell so I can notify you when I have the new lesson for you to learn, okay? So make sure you do that. Otherwise, when I upload a new video for you and get exciting, you won't be able to learn the movement to helping you onto the Wing Chun dummy, okay? So the second on it is get used to control the line. To make sure you get used to the movement of the person. And when you get into it, you have to be able to work in such a way that line, okay? The hand, the movement, because when you get used to the movement here, the hand coming in, that will helping you to able to defend, able to use it, able to make it the movement more functional, so you can become easy to use. Because you got to keep things simple when you're using it. Otherwise, it's going to be a nightmare for you, because a lot of thinking and your body not really respond to them fast enough when the time comes, because you're still thinking about what movement or technique you're going to use. Okay, something happened, you can't think, bam, bam, that dealing with him already. Okay, and then the movement is like boom to the face, boom to the face here, that would dealing with movement. So keep things simple when you're in a combat situation and you want to using the dummy to able to end fight quickly. You have to understand in the setting. That's why it's a lot of time you're watching for the self-defense side. It's the mindset, the setting, positioning. All this will helping you to learn a bit more on it, so you know. So the movement of it, get used to control line. Okay, that's the movement, because this movement here is center, fast, quick, directly, one direct line that will give you your movement right away. Okay, now the third part of it is the technique of it is learn to control the body a bit more. Now on this movement here, as you know, when you get into the line here, it's this hand. Okay, it's this hand. As you are blocked like this. This is very class movement on here. Rib cage. They can be in the rib cage like blocking. Okay, blocking onto rib cage here. Okay, that will end quickly. Or hike. Okay, run here, boom, boom, that will be end very quickly. So this is a free, basic self-defense move you can use into the dummy to helping you. Now this free basic move, when you're attacking here or you're attacking here, okay, the principle of it is the same way, okay. Now when you start to get used to working with this, you learn the hand in the movement of the body. The whole body have to go together to be able to do them. As you know, some of you will be thinking like, yes, sounds so cool and stuff like that, but a dummy, the wooden dummy, they're not gonna fight back, you know. So how do you do that with a person? I mentioned before, into the real life situation is a lot to do with setting up. Set up the situation so you can using this movement to helping you. If you don't set it up in a certain way, it's going to be very difficult for you to use it. This is why I talked to you about onto the self-defense side already, so get to understand it. A lot of this dummy here is learning to practice and learning where the body is, the line, so you know where they are, okay? You know where the movement is. You understand about distance, you know where the person is. It's all about controlling the distance. When you're understanding this, you know where the hand is. It's easy for you to locate onto the movement to here, line into here, control movement onto the body here. This is the basic of it, okay? To helping you to learn to be able to move a little more faster, a little more quicker, so you can able to respond well. If some of you love the dummy training a lot and you love it so much, I have a dummy training program, okay? If you haven't been to my website yet, here is the website, masterwong.tv, okay? When you came to this website, they have all the information here on our training. If you want to know about the instructor program, click on it. On Tai Chi or Wing Chun, they will give you more info. And also, if you got question for me, asking me about the training program or anything like that, using this instant message and message me, okay? The video you just been watching through is a Wing Chun dummy. So inside the Wing Chun dummy, coming down to the Wing Chun side, click on it, come down here and click onto the Wing Chun dummy. In here, they have all the information for you. Wing Chun dummy have the 12-week training program and also have a fitness program built in for you, okay? Read through it, go through it, and also the Wing Chun book. And in here, they have all the lesson application. They have 121 lesson here for you, okay? So on here, they have 121 lesson, all the different things, the dummy application to dummy form, free training, basic training, all the information here. Check it all out on it. And then if you want to looking around onto a website, looking around, they got all the different thing here, and then you can see what is it you need and how you want to train. Anything else you need using this message me, and I will be here to answer all the questions. I hope to see you on the training program. Now get back to your training. The 160 dummy training program and the self-defense and the training and the lesson every day you need to practice, and the fitness go with it, so you can start practice and spend some time on it as you go through them. So this is very important. When you get into that, then become a lot more easier for you to know how to use it. Okay, if you have any more question, anything like that on this moment here, let me know, then I will be here to helping you to get you to understanding basic self-defense movement here that can transfer to how to fight and how to basically finish the fight quickly when you start to practice with it. Okay, and some of you watching food right to the end here, and you want to subscribe to me, follow me, and want to become instructor and anything like that, go to our website masterwong.tv, check it out, and I will will be there to answer all the questions, or you can comment below here and asking me, and I will be here answer all the questions you need. Okay, Master Wong here, take it easy and out.